So in the last video, I show you how you can buy a crypto, how you can buy a coin from P2P. So the coin you bought now, it will be deposited inside your funding wallet. So from this funding wallet now, before you can move it to your trust wallet, let's say you need this coin now in your trust wallet. Before you can move it to your trust wallet, you have to transfer it to from your funding wallet to your spot wallet. So all you need to do is to click on transfer here, and then you leave it at funding. You leave it at funding to spot wallet, and then you click here. You click here to select the coin that you want to move from funding wallet to spot wallet. So you click here and then you select, since it's BUSD we are moving, we select the BUSD and then we are moving everything. We click on max. If you are not moving everything, you select, you type in the amount of BUSD you want to move, and then you click on confirm transfer. So this fund now has been moved to your spot wallet. So to have access to your spot wallet now, you click here. You click where the arrow is pointing. You see spot. So you click spot wallet, and then here now, before now, and then here now you click on BUSD, which you transfer to this account. So before now, you might have already copied your BUSD address from your spot wallet. I believe you know how to copy that. There's a video on that as well. So you copy your spot wallet and your BUSD address from your spot wallet, and then you click on withdrawal here. You click on withdrawal here, and then you paste the trust wallet address here. You paste your trust wallet address here. You paste it here. Paste. And then you select the network type, which is BEP20. And then you click on confirm, and then you type in the amount of BUSD you want to move. Here now I want to move 15 BUSD, and then I click on withdrawal. Are you telling me insufficient? That I have 19 BUSD, you are telling me insufficient. Are you okay? Max, no. I'm moving 15 BUSD. 15. So that's it. And then once you're done, you click on withdrawal. Why is it telling me insufficient? Smart chain BEP20. Confirm. No. I actually want to move 15 BUSD. So I don't know why it's telling me insufficient. 15. Okay, I type 15,000. Don't mind me, sorry. So I'm moving 15 BUSD. So I type in 15. Don't mind me. I need money. So 15 BUSD, and then I click on withdrawal. I go to type 15,000. So I click on confirm here. So at this point, you might not be able to see my screen because I'll be inputting some sensitive information like password. So I need my password. The same will be applicable to you if you want to move from your Binance to any wallet you are moving to. You will need a verification code, which entails your Google Authenticator, your email. A code will be sent to your email, and then a code will also be sent to your SMS, the phone number you register with Binance. So those are the 3 authenticator you will need to move out money from your Binance. So That's how you transfer money or you withdraw money from your Binance to your Trust wallet, or you send money from your Binance to another person's Trust wallet. So thanks for watching. At this point, everything here is confidential. So thanks for watching, and also please subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed, so that you can have access to more of this kind of videos. Thank you.